Cool, huh?
Uh-huh.
Good airtime on this one.
Oh, he's flying longer now.
Yep. Getting good video of that?
Yeah, don't make it too high. Might go to the street.
Don't worry about it.
Look at the bird too.